brilliant.
That's brilliant.
And to your right, please, gentlemen.
It felt good though.
Oh yeah, lovely. You know, John Cooper was the man I drove this car for when I was testing for Ken Tyrrell, and this is his son who's here. And just to have him here alone is a great thing.
This is a special place for you because it's where it all started, of course.
Yeah, with Ken Tyrrell, he invited me down to test me to see if I was quick enough in order to get a drive for the 1964 Formula 3 season. And I got the drive, and we won the championship that year, the European and the British Championship of Formula 3 in this very car.
Great to see you. Thank you for coming.
Thank you.